I'm currently here at the Cotswold Water Parks. This is a place called Neigh Bridge Country Park, and I've just come to sit by a really nice lake to play guitar, and I'm playing Restore Nature now. And being in the UK gives me that opportunity to go on country walks, be in the fields and by the lakes, and just reconnect with nature before returning, of course, to Shanghai. In a bold campaign, walking the streets. System change, not climate change. There's no planet B. Restore nature now. Restore nature now. Save our trees, our birds and bees. Every species counts. Clean up our land, rivers and seas, or we'll reap what we've sown. Restore nature now. Restore nature.